We are pleased to show you the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.